Hi everyone, this is Andrew. This video is talking about how I'm doing the session. This short or small seminar is talking about how Andrew is doing the session. So what I'm looking for during the session, how I searching information during my session, what I'm working on, what I'm training. So this is absolutely the Andrew style, how I doing my session. It's absolutely a little bit different because Hungary has different rules and options, so you can see what we can do in Hungary or how we can do in Hungary. So I think it will be an interesting presentation because it will be talking about how I set the device before the calibration and setting, what I'm doing to digging into the matrix, and what kind of panels what I'm usually using, and how I decide which panel is important for me on that case and which panel is not that important on that case. So I think we will meet on one of the Monday on August, and don't forget the seminar starting in June 3rd with Freddy, and then every Monday we will have a lecture with different speakers. So don't forget to buy your ticket, reserve your seat, and see each other on the conference. Thank you so much. Bye bye.